Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make a seamless loop in Capcut. So first thing that you will do is simply add your video and just simply copy paste it and just simply do something like this. Now just simply select the second video and now go for the video over here and go for the basic and go for the blend. Now here on the blend, just simply put it on the 0. Just simply select this one, add a keyframe and go for the end of the video over here and go for 100. And now you should be able to have something like this. And after that, guys, you could just simply cut the first half over here and just simply put it at the top. And from here, just simply adjust this like earlier. And after that, guys, you could just simply go ahead and do the same thing on this one by going for the capacity and going for 0 and add a keyframe and put it at the end and go for the 100. And now from here you will have a seamless transition. As you can see, there will be no cuts and it will be smooth. And as you can see, you could just simply select the three of them, right click on it and create a compound clip, and you can just simply repeat this. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching. See ya.